So there you are, our hearty, meaty beef sausages. Solid, high quality beef sausages. Look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making beef sausages. My favourite mix at the moment, my favourite spice mix in my sausages at this moment. I've got a couple of kilos of beef mince here, 80-20 or whatever they call it. I've got some breadcrumbs, I've got a whole bunch of spices, cold water, I've got some skins, and I've got milk powder as an optional extra, as a binder. Let's crack on and make these sausages. In here, beef mince, one side. In here, a whole array of spices, fully listed in the description below. Click on more, go down, they're there. Salt, paprika, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, nutmeg, oregano, thyme, coriander. There you go. In there. Mixy. Of course we have to mix it up before we chuck it on our meat. If not, it's all going to go in lumps. Get some gloves on, we've got a bit of handwork to do now. Beef in there. So we need to mix our spices in with that, so we're going to do a little bit on here, give it a turning in, and then put the rest in. Now this is a cracking spice blend at the moment, and it's one that I actually prefer at the moment. It's delicious. Okay, in there with the rest of that. And this really, truly is a fantastic herb blend. The smell coming out of here is incredible already. Now everything's cold. We've got cold mince in here. This is cold water. We're going to incorporate that into our beef. Okay, I've got some breadcrumbs. We're going to incorporate those in there. And then we're going to put the rest of the water in. So the ingredients that we've used today are ready available. You don't have to go to a sausage shop specialist to buy any breadcrumbs or anything. Everybody can make this. Okay, milk powder, optional extra. Some want to use it, some don't. We're mixing it in to help bind up our meat. So we're getting that stickiness now, look. But we still want this water in. There you go, that is a good sausage mix right there. Some say cool it down in the fridge and all the rest of it, let the flavours melt. I just say put it in the stuffer, stuff the sausage skins, and then put the sausage skins to actually melt the flavour. There you go. Okay, if you have one of these sausage stuffers, it's fine. If you don't have, just stuff it by hand. Right, we want to get our meat mixture in there. Now, we're going to put it in, but we don't want any air bubbles if possible. As in, we need to squash it up together. Now, we've only got 2 kilos, and really, it's a waste of time using this. So just connect your sausage stuffer. Okay, we're on. We're going to drop this down on there. This should be bolted down. Okay, so this might be a little bit hard to do on here, but we're going to do it anyway. So we are just going to stuff that on there. Now these casings are Japanese, high quality. Now like I said, this is going to be awkward, you know, it should be bolted down, but you know, I'm here, we're going to do it. So it might move around, it might be a little bit too slow actually. Come on, let's go for it. So what we're going to do is hold this here and struggle. So what we're going to do is just wind the handle down and it'll push the plunger down and force the meat out of the chamber through the nozzle into the sausage skin. And it's a struggle. It's a struggle. It's a two-person job. It needs bolting. Come on, let's get it done. Okay, we got our sausage on here. Now I can tell you I am really bad at tying sausages. I always split them, I'm too rough. Anyway, we want to pick a size that we want. Now I'm going to go for extra long on this because I've got a little recipe where I want little long beef sausages. Now basically what you do, you just come in there like that and you nip it through nice and steady like that and give it a little twist. So I'm twisting this one towards me and we want roughly the same size, so we're going to nip in there. Okay, leave that, come down here to here. Now I'm sorry, but this is the only way I can demonstrate this without rushing around. So we're going to twist that way, okay, like that. So we're going to get the same sausages. And there you go. Once you've got some very misshapen sausages of different sizes, depending on what you're making, they go in the fridge. They're going in the fridge for a few hours. Okay, we haven't really had enough time, but we're going to cook a couple of sausages off in there. We really should have left them a little bit longer, but you know, come on. So we're going to go in there with a little bit of oil though. Going to get a flame on. And now we're not going to go too hot. And we're just going to put our sausages in. Normally I would have just put some water in and boiled them down. But we're just going to cook these like this, nice and slow. Because we just want to give them a taste, obviously. We want to know what they're like. Now I know what they're like, but you know, for the video, we've got to give them a little taste test. Well, I can tell you there's some fantastic smell coming out of here. You can smell that herbs, you can smell the beef, you can smell all. Oh, it's tremendous. That is really superb. Mouth-watering. In there, we want an egg. Of course we do. So there you are, our hearty, meaty beef sausages. Come on. Come on, here we are, we're in. And look in there. Solid, high quality beef sausages. Look at that. Oh. Oh, unbelievable. A little bit of brown. When we say brown, it's HP. In here. Oh. Dunk. Oh, come on. What a fantastic beef sausage. Meaty, beefy. You can taste the herbs through there. Nice blend. Fantastic. I love it. Absolutely love it. Look at that. Look how much meaty in there. That is not soft and squidgy full of packing. Okay, it's moist sausage, but look at that. It's meaty. That is superb. And a bit of brown sauce. So there you go. That's how easy it is to make a hearty, beefy sausage. Amazing. If you do like what we're doing, don't forget, tell your friends, share with everybody, tell them. It's simple to make a really good quality beef sausage at home. And if you do like what we're doing, it's a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.